Fabio Leonardi designed the first tomato crusher in 1917. Since then, the company has grown significantly and has distributed products not just in Italy, where it is based out of, but all over the world. In this video, we will show you how the MR0 design works, and later show the variety of sizes and model types we offer. All of the models include the following products in order to function. The MR0 with the SP3 attachment just so happens to be our best-selling power tomato milling machine. It is integrated with 190 watts. Before assembling, make sure to coat the insides of the tomato press body with olive oil. After attaching the tomato press body, fasten the product chute as shown in the video. Now, begin slicing your tomatoes that will be used for your milling. Place the individual slices of tomato into the product tank, which was previously latched onto the top of the tomato press body. Make sure to drop a few slices of tomato into the tomato press body before turning on. If forgotten, the mill itself can become backed up. Before turning on, make sure to have a bowl or plate underneath the tomato chute to catch your excess juice, and also have a second bowl or plate at the front end of the tomato press body to catch other excess tomato that is not milled into a liquefiable form. After turning on the switch, use your pusher to help ease down the tomato slices into the mill. Depending on the amount of tomatoes you use, the MR0 or any Fabio Leonardi product you decide is suitable will provide you with a satisfactory amount of tomato juice and skin, which can be great to use for salsa or even a delectable topping to a burger. Now here are some of our other designs in which we offer at www.fabioleonardiusa.com.